Hello, this is Mindy. Today I'm going to show you how to grow ginger in a container. Now, believe it or not, ginger can grow in a container, and I would suggest that you do that versus planting it in the ground. Because anytime you have a chance of it killing frost, you can just pick the container up and bring it indoors versus having to dig it out of the ground and replant it into a container. Now, you don't have to order ginger root from a particular catalog. You can actually grow your own from ginger that you purchase at the grocery store. Once you get your ginger home, you're going to want to separate it and cut it into pieces so that you have at least one eye per piece of ginger. You're then going to soak it in water for 24 hours. After that time period has elapsed, you can plant it in a container. Now, the depth of the container, it does need to be a little bit on the deep side, but you're going to put your ginger on the surface of the soil and then just cover it with enough soil so that none of the root is exposed. What you're going to need to do next is make sure that you water in your ginger thoroughly. Now, as far as care, make sure that your ginger never dries out and monitor the soil moisture constantly. If you don't have any rain, make sure that you give it supplemental water.